Okay, so in this series, I'm going to show you how to upload your follow-up letters into your Aweber autoresponder. If you're using a different autoresponder like GetWeber, then you're going to have to contact those services to find out how to do that. I don't work with those autoresponders, but these are autoresponders. This is the autoresponder that we work with over here at Craigslist Confidential. So first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Aweber account, and you should already have the letters that basically there are three letters that were sent to you, follow-up letters. Letter 1, letter 2, and letter 3 should be on there somewhere. So you should already have this. And what you want to do is once you log into your Aweber account, go ahead and select a list. Click on list. That way we're all on the same page. And once you select list, the list that I created for you or someone on the support team here created for you will always end in Craig's. So your first name or one of your names, Craig's. And that's the list you want to create. That's the list you were using that we set up to be used in your opt-in page. This is your opt-in page. So basically, you already programmed this page. When people enter their name and email here, then the list that is, all those names and emails are going to go to the list that we created in here. So you want to click on that list there, okay? And when you click on that list, then all the, all the stuff that list opens up, okay? And right here is where you want to upload the automatic messages that will go out to that list. So whenever anyone opts in here, then automatically messages that you upload here will go out to those people over a series of days that we program. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you should see the name of your list here, your name or whatever, and Craig's. That should be there. And once you're in this space here, then you can go ahead and select messages and click on follow-ups. Okay, once you click on follow-ups, there's going to be a little drop-down menu here. Create your follow-up letter. You want to click on the arrow, and I like using the what do you call it? The drag and drop emailer system. It makes it a little bit more easier. Okay, so click on that there. And then it's going to finally open up to a page that looks like this. Okay, so let's just start at the beginning. We're going to enter in the subject line here. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go to the file that has your follow-up letters, and you're going to see where it says subject line. See where it says name? So you're going to copy and paste that into here. That's the subject line. And this name is where you want to customize the name. You want to have it automatically put the person's name in there. So whenever anyone enters in their name here, it's going to appear in the message that goes out right here. And this button says personalize. Click on that, and you're going to select first name. Okay? So just select first name. So it'll automatically merge that name into there. So now you've got the very first email or very first subject line. Now this box here, we want to get rid of it. So just go ahead and put your cursor here, click on it, left click on that, and you're going to see this box, and just click that red and get it out of there. Okay, we want to use our own. You're just going to want to take this, drag and drop it into here. Okay, and then you're going to get rid of all that. So you're going to highlight all of what you'll do is double click on this box here. This is what had me confused for a while, but double click on that box. When you do, really quick, it's going to allow you to edit it. So then you want to highlight everything in there and just get everything out. Delete everything that's in that box. Okay, then you want to go back to where it says below text. Everything below text is where you're going to want to copy and paste that into that box there. Okay, so we just copied and pasted that in there. Now here it says link to your main sales page. That's where you want to put your link to your main sales page at. We're going to remove that and put that in. So we're going to go. When you got your email, you got your completion letter email. You had the 3 links in there to your sales page or to your web pages. This is to the opt-in page here. So we're going to take the main link, the main sales page link. That's what we're going to do. We're going to copy and paste that, remove that. And I'm going to show you a little trick here. Where it says click here to see, we're going to actually put it there. We're going to highlight this. And then we're going to go up to this hyperlink. We're going to make that a hyperlink. We're going to click on that, and that's where you're going to paste in your main sales link. Okay, it's going to validate that it's real. As soon as it does, just click anywhere on the outside, anywhere in here, and that should go away. And there, that link is now clickable. Then you're going to want to make that go away. Okay, now that's one way you can do it. That's how you make a nice clickable link. And that's a nice little trick. And then where it says your name, put your name here. Okay, and so that's the first letter. What you might want to do is you might want to send yourself a little test. Go ahead and click this test button here, and then it's going to say enter your email where you want want that to go, and you can put wherever you want that to go, and then send test, and it'll send out a test to you. Then you can click on that link and make sure that link works. So right now I'm not going to do that. We're just going to upload the letters in here. Okay, so far you've just uploaded the first letter. So let's go do the next letter. So that's all in. What you want to be sure and save it. Always save it. Okay. So that is now saved. Okay, then once it's saved, you want to go down to next. Okay. Actually, what you want to do is once it's saved, you can just leave it alone. You don't need to do anything after that. Just go back up here to messages, go back to follow-up series, click on follow-up series, yes, leave page, and you should see the first letter is already loaded up in there. Okay, let's take a look. There's the first letter there. It's going to go out immediately. Okay, so now what you want to do is to load up the second letter. Go ahead and click on this drop-down arrow, create another follow-up letter. Click on drag and drop email builder. Okay, it's going to open one up here, and we're going to repeat the process. Okay, so you're going to go back to your follow-up letter. So you're going to go down to the second follow-up letter, which will go out the second day. You're going to take the subject line here, copy it, and you're going to paste it in there. Now, the second letter, I didn't include the name of the person. They already know, they already see where this is coming from. You don't have to keep saying their name over and over again. I just put it in the first letter. So just copy and paste it. That one is not personalized, so you don't have to worry about personalizing it. And then the same thing, go down here, click anywhere in this box, and then when that red X comes up, pop it, delete that out. Take this, now use your right button, your left button, and click on it and drag that into this box here. If you have a problem with copy and pasting and dragging things, then you're going to need to talk to a college student or somebody that can show you how to do that. But so I'm basically just showing you how to upload the letters. You have to learn how to know how to copy and paste at this point. So either way, so you drag that box into there. Then you want to double click in here with your left thumb, your left clicker, double click real fast, highlight everything in there, and delete it out. Okay? Then you want to go here to your letter, and you're going to want to get the body, which is below, body. I copy and paste, bam, copy that. Then I go back to here. Make sure you double click on that so then you paste it in. Okay, I do customize I personalize the letter itself. What I do is basically I will take that out, delete that, then for where it says personalize, click on personalize, say first name, and bam, it'll put that person's name in there. Whatever name they entered in here, it's going to go ahead and it's going to enter it right here. Okay, so it'll more personalize the letter. Then once again, now you're going to take your link. You're going to put your link. You want to take your main sales page link here, and then you're going to want to either copy and paste it in there, and that's it. You're done with it. I prefer to make a line clickable. Put that link inside and under that, so people just click on that line. To do that, you just go ahead and click on this little hyperlink here, paste it in that box. It will validate that it works. Then click anywhere outside this area. That will go away, and that is now clickable. So I basically put this link here in that. The reason why I did this is because some people, what they will do is they will take a link that they see and they will cut off all this part, okay, and just go to the basic page, and you'll miss a sale. You don't want to do that. You want to make it so people can't just, screw with your links. So you could either, if you don't want to bury it up under here, then you could either just paste it in there and be done with it. Put it in there or put it down here. But I prefer, like I said, to paste it in there so people can't go in there and edit the link. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and put your name in there, and that's it. Then you want to go down and you want to save it. One of the things, be sure after you save it, you're going to go ahead and click next. This is what's really important, is on the second one, you've got to tell it here, you got to put the number 1 in here. That's going to say it's going to go about 1 day after someone opts in, to your opt-in page. So say if they opt in this page on Monday, okay, right away they're going to get the first follow-up letter that they sent immediately, and then the next day, which will be on Tuesday, they'll get this follow-up letter. So you always want to say that you want to put 1 in there for your second letter. Letter number 2, just put 1, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll down and just put save. You're still waiting. Okay, so the second letter is now uploaded in there. It's going out 1 day after people enter their information into your squeeze box, and that's it. Now we're going to do the third letter. Same thing. Drop down menu, select drag and drop email builder. Okay. Now you're going to want to go and grab the third letter, which is here. Copy and paste the subject line. Okay, just the subject line. Put that there. We're not going to customize it with the person's name. We're going to just click on this area here. Click on the red X, get rid of that. Take this where it says paragraph and drag it into that box. Okay? Double click on this area here so you can type in it. Then you're going to delete everything that's in there. Highlight it and delete it out. Then you're going to go back to your follow-up letter and just going to get the body. Okay? Get the body, copy it here, paste it. Okay, we don't even use a name on that. We're just gonna. Okay, then you're gonna go to your links. You're gonna go and get your link from the main sales page, put it in there, and you're going to you're gonna put it. You're going to get rid of that because you could either put your link there, but I like burying it up under here. Highlight that line there, click on this hyperlink, paste your main link in there. Once that's done validating the link, it validates to make sure that the page is working is basically what it does. If the page isn't working, then it won't allow you to put a link in there. For some reason today the system's really slow. So we just have to wait. We know it's working. I'm going to go ahead and click ignore validation, and then I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. Then down here you're going to put your name in there, and that's it. Then you're going to down here click save. After you click save, be sure you click next. Here, that's 3. This is the letter number 3 you just created. You're going to put 2 here. This will tell it. This tells programs to go out 2 days after people requested information from your opt-in page. So push save. That is now saving, and then after that saves, we're going to wait on this thing. When it's done saving, it gets done, and then you'll see all 3 of your follow-up letters are now here. Okay, this is going to go out immediately when people, as soon as people opt into your opt-in page, right away it's going to send out this letter. The next day, day one, it's going to send out the second letter. The next day, day two, it's going to send out the third letter. Okay, and you're all set. Your system should now already be programmed with the follow-up letters, and that's pretty much it for today.